Welcome to Tech in 10, a series that gives you technology tips in 10 minutes or less. My name is Bethany, and I work for the Vestavia Hills Library in the Forest. Let's learn the basics of Microsoft Excel. I'll be using the Microsoft 365 version. The first time you use Excel, you will need to sign into your Microsoft account. Once signed in, Excel opens to the Welcome page. Here, you can open an existing workbook, open a recently used workbook, start from a blank workbook, or start with a template. I'll start from a blank workbook. The top menu is called the ribbon. It's divided into tabs. Each tab is further divided into groups. This helps you locate specific commands on each tab. Click here to choose how you want the ribbon to display. Use the slider to zoom in and out. Your workbook is divided into sheets. Double-click the sheet name to rename the sheet. Click the plus sign if you need to add a new blank sheet. Every worksheet has columns and rows. Columns are vertical and are labeled with a letter. To select a column, click the column letter. This is column C. Rows are horizontal and are labeled with a number. To select a row, select the row number. This is row 3. A cell is the box that's created from the intersection of a row and a column. To select a cell, click the cell. To select all cells, click here. A cell reference is the name of the cell. It starts with the column letter and then the row number. The cell reference of this cell is B2. The cell reference of this cell is E5. You can see the cell reference here in the name box. To save your file, go to the File tab. Click Save. You can save your file to OneDrive or to another location like your desktop or a flash drive. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud service. It stores your files safely and securely online. Saving to OneDrive enables an auto-save feature. Your documents will save automatically as you're working on it. To save to OneDrive, select your OneDrive. Enter a file name. Click Save. Notice autosave is on. Remember, autosave only works if you're saving to OneDrive. If autosave is off, you will need to save your work periodically by clicking here. Autosave saves over the original. You can always go back to older versions of your file and restore them. Click your file name and choose Version History. As you work on your spreadsheet, you'll see Excel saving your changes automatically here if autosave is enabled. Some of the text doesn't fit within the cells. Click and drag the line after a column to manually adjust the column width. You can also adjust row height in the same way if needed. To center a title over your data, use the Merge and Center command. First, select the range of cells that extends to the start and end of your data. To select a range of cells, click the first cell and drag to the last cell. On the Home tab, select Merge and Center. Now the cells are combined into one big cell, and the text is centered over the data. Change the font size here. You can also bold your title if you like. I'll format my subheading as well. Change the numerical data's formatting with the number group. Select the cells with your numerical data. Click the arrow within the number format box and choose a format. I'll choose currency. If you want to add or remove decimal places, click either of these. I'll add a border to my total row. This helps it stand out from the data. Select the range of cells. Find the font group and click the drop-down arrow next to the Borders button. Pick a style. In the alignment group, select Center to center the text within a cell. Change the orientation of text within a cell here in the alignment group as well. Apply styles here in the Style group to make cells pop. If you need to add a blank row or column, click the row or column where you want a new one. Go to the Cells group and select Insert. To delete a row or column, select the row or column and click the Delete command in the Cells group. To create a formula or function, select a cell where you want the answer to appear. If you want to add your data, go to the Editing group and click Auto Sum. Make sure the bounding box is around the figures you want to add. If Excel selects the wrong data, simply select the correct data. Press the Enter key on the keyboard. Excel calculates the sum. Click on the cell and see the formula in the formula bar. Here, you can check, edit, or remove the formula from the cell. Save yourself time. Copy the formula over to the adjacent cells. Do so with a fill handle. The fill handle is the square in the bottom right corner of the cell. Click, hold, and drag the fill handle over the cells that you want to fill. The formula is copied over. Notice the formula automatically adjusted to grab the correct cells for each month. There are many functions in Excel to help you make calculations. Select the arrow next to AutoSum to see more popular functions. You can also click More Functions and search by key term for others. To print your file, click the File tab and select Print. Thanks for watching!